Alright, today we have a kendama unboxing from Analog Kendamas. I reached out to them and they were nice enough to send me a few kendamas, so thank you to Analog for sending me this package. I'm not sure what they sent in here, but I am excited to open this and see what is in here. So let's get started. First off, we got a bunch of stickers, brick, nice and shiny. All right, so from what I can feel, this feels like a Ken, and this feels like a full setup. So let's do the Ken first. Nice. I believe this is the unicorn Ken. Wow, this is really pretty. Got the, what is this? Purple heart, I believe. With the maple on top. Got the balance hole on the base cup. Logo under the big cup. Nice. And then in this bag, ooh, what's this? Oh, this is probably the brick clear. Obviously it says brick here, so that's probably why I thought it was brick clear. Plus it feels very sticky. Yeah, it's the brick clear. I think this is the acorn setup. Wow, this is really nice too. Both of them are. I love how there's like half splits for the top of the Ken. It's really nice. Sort of like reverse. Shirt has amazing lunar balance because of the stickiness. Plus also the lunar balance hole on the bottom. This would be great for lunar tricks. Just look at that stick. Man, this is really nice. Yeah, so I got these two solid kendamas. One Ken, the unicorn, and the acorn setup. I appreciate Analog for sending me both of these kendamas. I will for sure jam these well, and I've had this setup for such a long time. This is the 2020 squab shape. This has held up really well. So I'm excited to maybe possibly pair this Tama on one of these Kens and see how that works. Yeah, so that is the unboxing of these two Analog kendamas, the Ken in the full setup. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, thank you to Analog, and they're a great company. They have really solid kendamas, great people there. Yeah, that's all for the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed.